Gallery.
The Gallery 3. Woohoo! Fiesta! Nang kuradang. May ginaraan. First dish na to ang guso. First pagwapan lagnaw.
Gusto, salad.
Lingaw ni lingaw. Nagtagag nori. Lingaw kayo. Lingaw kayo. Second ba ko? Lingawa ni. Ilo ba? Lingaw kayo yung gusto ba? Gusto.
No celebration is complete without food. Whether it is a fiesta, birthday,
More fun, of course.
reunion, or
Video pa takay.
community gathering.
Ano ang kamukhaon nga marag?
Brings people together
More fun.
and reflects the generosity and hospitality of the Cebuano.
Up is.
Ladies and gentlemen,
We're in the fiesta
welcome to
gallery.
Gallery 3.
Now we're here in Gallery 3. Do you remember what the taste of Gallery 1 is?
Yes.
It's about the roots of Cebuano cuisine. How about Gallery 2?
This is the fiesta.
Lutong bahay.
So now in Gallery 3, fiesta. So the first handa or ikay in our fiesta is our gusto salad. So everyone, let's taste gusto salad over here.
Murkon.
Okay, gusto salad here. Gusto salad is a refreshing seaweed dish that reflects Cebu's close relationship with the sea.
Embutido, of course.
Gusto, a
Suon as
type of
morkon.
seaweed, is often prepared with vinegar. For our fiesta, is called morcon. So morcon is here. Please taste our morcon. Morcon is a festive. Additionally, it is made by wrapping meat around ingredients such as eggs, sausages,
Panada, of
or
course.
vegetables, then
Panada ng
slowly
kanon.
cooking it in a rich sauce. Because of the preparation involved, morcon is often seen as a dish of effort and pork. Okay, morcon is here. Let's taste our embutido. This is a Filipino-style meatloaf. often
Marag
served
tamales,
during
ma'am. It's a
fiestas,
corn.
holidays, and family celebrations. It is usually made with ground meat, eggs, and seasoning. So interesting is how it turns simple ingredients into a festive dish that is easy to slice, share, and serve to many guests.
Of course, ang hari sa Fiesta del Cebu is lechon yun. And mauna. Ana.
Okay, moving on from embutido, let's go to
Liter ba?
empanada.
Liter ba na isa?
So let's
Una.
taste our empanada over here. So empanada is
And
here.
on this side, we'll
Empanada is a well-loved pastry that reflects the influence of Spanish culinary traditions on Filipino food. Its name comes from the Spanish word
Desserts, guys.
empanar, which means to wrap or coat in bread. Over time, it became a familiar snack in many Filipino and Cebuano gatherings, filled with savory ingredients and folded into a convenient handheld treat. And on the fiesta table, empanada has both comfort and variety,
tuba again.
showing how cultural
So, ang
influences
ilang i-highlight na
have
is
been
tuba,
adapted
which is
into something distinctly
Our
familiar
preferred sap
and
of coconut.
festive.
So mani, nasa lay tuba ni this new. Dinsyo. Oh, dinsyo day. Tuba with coke na. Dayum, which is pineapple, calamansi, and blue curacao na tuba. Oh.
Okay, next to empanada, we have our tamaos. Tamaos is a traditional Cebuano delicacy often prepared for special gatherings and celebrations. Its presence on the fiesta table reflects the variety and richness of
And of course,
Cebuano food
bami.
traditions, where every dish has its own texture, flavor, and
Mana, siya yung kaulit na sal. Ano na sa tas balbakuha, siya yung kaulit sa ng puso.
So
So,
we have spoon on the bar, and then of course, grab your
mga
balbacoa
balbakuha
over
na rin kay.
here. It's a fork. There's also fork.
Nirita. Nirita kay. Ang balbakuha.
Okay,
There's Mike.
at the Balbacoa station.
Bao na dia. Mani balbakuha ba? Alam. And di mahimo way balbakuha way puso. Ano tumataw sa inasa?
Okay, still enjoying the lechon and puso. Again, before dessert, please come over to Balbacoa station. After Balbacoa, we still have bumping. So please, make space for your stomach. So Balbacoa is over here. You can see the flag.
Kuha ito da bami. Para mahuman na. Bami.
Lamig ang lechon. Lamig kaayo.
Ngani uto naman.
But we still have more food. Okay, Balbacoa station over there. Balbacoa is a rich and hearty Cebuano favorite known for its slow-cooked, deeply flavorful broth.
Guyabano?
Traditionally made with tender cuts of beef.
Di sila manghatag kanina.
Mau lagi. Mau.
Tendon or oxtail.
Mau gyud.
It is simmered for
Ito lang mo
hours.
balbakuha ko.
That's why it has been waiting for you as well. So come over
Mau lagi.
here at
Inuwa na eh.
Balbacoa
Matok ka anta.
Station.
One of
Simmered for
the...
hours. Fire and simple ingredients come together to create something warm, filling, and
Rami tuba ba?
so let's taste our
Lamig tuba ba?
bangki.
Dagdagan ka masangit diri sa inasal. Pero mag-dessert na ta. Inot yan ang init na turon ba?
Bangki is a well-loved Cebuano noodle
So, leche plan nila.
brings together two kinds of
Nakaon ako ani. Nakaon na lang.
Limon and canton. This combination gives the dish a distinct texture with
turon.
one noodle observing the flavor while the other adds height. It is often prepared with meat, seafood, vegetables, and seasonings.
Batag.
And like many noodle dishes,
Kanila lang atong dessert, guys.
with long life, abundance, and celebration. So our balbacoa and bangki are over here.
Oh, may pintos eh. Masi. Parang tag Roskelius o sa kabuk.
And after all the celebration, it is community, and it is one of the ways we express generosity and hospitality to others. So now, please follow me to Gallery 4.
The story of Cebuano cuisine continues. Having explored our roots, our homes, and our celebrations, we now look toward the future. Please proceed to Gallery